Hey! Don't skip this video yet, and you will learn how to transform your ideas into an awesome script. Right now you're probably spending days watching YouTube tutorials and don't even know how to shape your story and write your script. I know how you feel. Been there, done that. But I've mastered the basics and my scripts were transformed into award-winning films, and my debut feature film is even available on Amazon Prime. And it got 17 international awards. Whoa! Now you might be thinking, but how did you learn all the basics in the first place? Screenwriting books are not practical enough, film schools cost more than $10,000, and seminars that teach only one specific thing about screenwriting cost at least $500. I've condensed everything that I've learned over time into the Screenwriting Basics course at an affordable price. You will learn everything from how to analyze films, how to get and shape ideas, how to develop your story and characters, how to use screenwriting software, how to prepare documents for producers, investors and collaborators, and how to specifically write for short and feature films, as there are distinct differences. In the end, you will have a complete writing package for your project. Yes, that means a logline, synopsis, pitch page, character biographies, outline, treatment, and obviously your first draft, aka your first version of a script. Bam! Lessons are made in an easy to understand manner with practical exercises, so you can turn theory into skills. This means you will learn all the basics they teach at film schools at the fraction of the cost, faster and wherever and whenever you want. Rewatch the videos as many times as you want. You will also get access to templates, and in just short 14 days you can have your short film script ready for filming. And we're even going to talk about writer's block and procrastination. In addition, you will get access to our private community and lifetime access to the course and all the updates. You can skip the long process of guessing if you have the right info on how to write your script and learn the basics now. If you want to learn more and join the course, click the link below and I'll see you there. Don't hesitate and advance your screenwriting skills today.